Hello, it's Jodie here again. Today I want to share something very useful with you. Today I want to share with you something very useful. Is that if you are a merchant in ProppyApp, that is, if you are a merchant in government or ProppyCast, if you have your QR code printed and labeled on your packaging, your customer can scan it and they can go direct to your shop, your online shop in ProppyApp. So I will scan and show you. So from there they can see your company profile and they can view your product.